everybody, it's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today and clicking on that thumbnail if this is your first time or if you're returning. Now, if you are new here, please be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you are in the loop when I upload a video. We are here with yet another edition of, sing it with me now, Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. I said Budget Friendly Friday. A Budget Friendly Friday. Yes, y'all, we're here with another edition of Budget Friendly Friday, which is where I'm bringing you or showcasing wigs that are under $25. And today we got a double whammy because I am doing a battle of the blues. For those of you who have been following me for a while, you know my favorite color is blue. More specifically royal blue, but I'm still a fan of blue. So I've come across this indigo blue color that I just love. And so I wanted to find some units to review in this same color. So that's how we got Battle of the Blues. Now we're going to start with a unit that I am very familiar with, which is this Bobbi Boss LYNA. Now I'm reviewing her in this TT1B/indigo blue color. However, I have her in a 1B and I have rocked her to work so many times. Like that is a good go-to for me. I love her. So we're also going to be reviewing Bobbi Boss Chanel, also in the color TT1B/indigo blue. Now both of these units again are from Bobbi Boss and they are premium synthetic wigs. They both have very deep 5-inch hand-tied lace parts. So let's go ahead and dive right into this Battle of the Blues. Process, this unit is super easy, a quick, easy breezy throw and go, very beginner friendly. This unit is not new, it's been around for a little while and there are probably a million reviews on this unit because she was so popular when she first came out. So again, I'm not new to her, but she may be new to someone. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and talk about some of the pros and some of the things I absolutely love about this unit other than her being easy breezy and a throw and go. Her texture, y'all, this good Yaki right here, y'all know I go crazy over a good yak. Love me some yak. Very nice texture, y'all. This cut, this length, perfect, y'all. Like, who's gonna be hot in the summertime? Not me. Not with this cut. Perfect for the summertime. Now the hair on her is quite full. This is some good density right here now. It has to be 150% density and above, or above. Like, this is some good density here. It's not bad though. It's not making me hot because of the length. So it's perfect. I also love the super deep parting space. I love a good deep parting space, especially when the part is in the middle. And y'all know I'm not normally a middle part fan, but for a style like this, I can live with it. Now look at this color blend, y'all, of this indigo blue. It's It's so pretty. And that's what made me choose it. All right, so let's tap into some of these cons. Con number one is this cap size. She's not all hair friendly, y'all. Sorry, my bigger head friends. She's a little tight on my small to medium size head. Another con with this unit is excessive shedding. Now, I really do think it's because of the color. I can't say that I experienced this much shedding with my 1B liner that I used to rock all the time. I don't remember it shedding this much at all. So I have to blame it on this color. I didn't do any kind of cutting of any sorts. I ain't cut out no baby hairs or anything. I don't even think baby hairs are necessary for this type of wig. But, you know, to each his own. Somebody just might love baby hairs. They want to add them. Okay. On the flip side, though, no tangling. I forgot to add that as a pro. No tangling. None whatsoever. She's nice, y'all. She is nice. Alright, so let's talk about the price of this one. She ranges anywhere from $20 to $40. That's a good little range now. But if you shop around, you can find that good $20 version. I'll be sure to include a Google search link down in the description box below, because y'all know I'm not including any specific companies anymore for free. We're not doing it no more. So is she worth it? Absolutely, especially if you can find her under $30. Very well worth it. Like this Yaki texture, honey, and the fact that there's no tangling, and she is just, hello? All that. All that. I love it. Woo! Alright, so now that I have given you all the deets on Miss LYNA, we're going to go ahead and transition into Miss Chanel. So here is Miss Chanel, and honey, she is like a whole vibe. Like, just get all of this right here. She is a vibe. Yes, honey. Woo, honey. Get you some. Get you some. Look at her. Woo. Whole vibe. Yes. All right, y'all. So I pretty much styled her just like I did with LYNA. We're just using some bobby pins on the side to keep her in place. Little foundation in the parting space. Simple, easy breezy. So, whew, y'all, we still got some of this good yak going on. So, again, the texture, amazing. This color, amazing. Yes. Woo, I love this indigo blue. I'm usually real intentional about wearing like a brighter color top with dark hair. And I think I just forgot because I was starting off with the bob. Like, I think that was, I just forgot. So, I'm sorry I got on this black top, y'all. But you can still see this blue. Real clear on this black, but I normally wouldn't do that. Like, I'm real intentional about that. But this blue is so pretty. Okay, keep your hands out of the hair. Keep your hands out of the hair. I think it's the same pros and cons for this one. The pros with the texture, the color, the fact that it's easy breezy, you know, minimal work, minimal effort. Cons are the same with the shedding, heavy shedding, not a whole lot of tangling still, so that's another pro. Cap size, this is an older unit, so you know Bobbi Boss is just now trying to make their caps a little bigger, so both of these have really small caps. Oh, another con, so you can probably still see a little hump action. I tried to flatten it out as best as possible, but then I was like, why is this so humpy? So I went through, and like one of my pet peeves is that they added filler hair. Like, why? Why do you do that? I don't even understand. We don't need the filler hair. Don't add the filler hair. So this one has filler hair, y'all. I cannot stand it. I don't know why they do that, but that's why it's so poofy. And I try to go in with the flat iron, I mean with the hot comb, and get it as flat as possible. And I just got hot and tired and I was over it. So another con to consider with this unit is I think she's more fall and winter friendly because again, even though it's Yaki, it is a really good density, probably like 150, 180. That's a lot of density. And in the summertime, you probably ain't gonna want all this hair in the summertime, so save her for the fall. Like, I probably won't pull her back out until the fall. She is hot. Now, luckily with LYNA, because she was short, I was able to get away with her, but whew, Miss Chanel here is hot. I ain't gonna lie, she hot. She hot. All right, so let's talk about the price. Now, this is a very large price range where you can find this unit anywhere from $18, which is in the budget-friendly category, all the way up to $46. I was like, who's buying that when you can get it for $18? I don't even understand how that's competitive, but that's what I found. So I will include a link for options down in the description box below. This is well worth it. This is well worth it, even minus the shedding. Like, that's probably, the shedding and the filler hair are up here are probably the biggest cons for me. So if that's something you're able to overlook, you know, it's very well worth it. Now, if you got more of a natural color, you might not have as much shedding. I don't know that for sure. I just know when units are colored like this, of course, you get more shedding. All right, y'all, so that is the battle of the blues. I would love to know what you think of these two units. Which one is your favorite? It's hard for me to decide, to be honest, because I do love this long length and all this little action over here. Whew, beautiful, as well as the color. However, I also just love the simplicity of the bob. Like, that one is so simple. You don't have to deal with all this. Like this one, I gotta kind of keep putting back in place and swooping it back to make sure she swooped right. So just a little more effort involved with this one, but it's still so freaking pretty. I love it. So I think I might like the bob a little more because I'm just a fan of LYNA. Let me know which one is your favorite down in the comments below. I thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to thumbs up this video. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.